Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want visitors to contact you instantly via WhatsApp in 2026, here is the clear official truth. Hostinger Website Builder doesn't have a native with WhatsApp integration, but you can connect WhatsApp perfectly using links, buttons, or click to chat methods. No plugins, no code headaches. So this guide shows you all supported ways to do it cleanly and professionally. So first thing, get your WhatsApp click to chat link. So WhatsApp provides an official format, okay? For example, wa.me slash your number. So rules: use country code, no spaces, no plus symbol. Step 2, add a pre-filled message. So you can fill a message. Messages must be URL encoded, great for leads and support. So this boosts conversation a lot. Okay, so add WhatsApp button in Hostinger Website Builder. So log in Hostinger. Okay, go to websites, then you have to have an upgraded account, then tap edit websites at the bottom element, and button text chat on WhatsApp, contact us on WhatsApp, or message us. Okay, so button link equals your WhatsApp link. Save and then publish. Okay, so button opens WhatsApp instantly. So create a floating WhatsApp button. This is popular. So Hostinger doesn't have a native floating WhatsApp widget, but you can simulate it. Okay, so for example, place button at bottom of page, style it green, add WhatsApp icon. Okay, so it works best on landing pages. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.